this. Look at this tea. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Team Shaw. Thank you, both of the Phils, Uncle Phil and Mr. Phil. Thank you, Kevin. You guys have really and truly blessed me, and I want you to know that I appreciate this. Our sponsors came to Little Rock in March, and they blessed everybody. They made investments into the businesses of their business partners, and man, everybody felt the love. I took my products that I purchased and my investments that they invested in me, and I have reinvested my investments into my business partners. I packaged, boxed, and shipped products to my business partners because I know that my upline is making another big investment in May, and I want to be ready. So I'm looking for 10 new business partners to join me. If you join for the products because you want to detox, you want to lose weight, you have aches and pains, you need energy, you need to go to sleep, or you may just need to relax. If you want our products to help with mental clarity, to improve concentration, reduce stress, boost your immune system, or to help you cleanse your internal organs, contact me. Now, if you join because you want to get paid, you need extra income, you want to work from home, you may want to resign or retire from your job, or you just may want to pay bills, contact me. Now, if you're like me, where you want to merge your passion and your purpose so you can get paid to do what you love to do, contact me. I'm looking for go-getters. I'm looking for individuals who are ready for a change. I am willing to invest in you because I want my upline to understand. When they invested in me, they invested in an empire. I am Louwendy Jenkins. I turn ideas into concepts and concepts into reality. I invest in people.